Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to share a very classy pink makeup look, which is perfect for a night out, a wedding or a nice day event. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. But for now, let's get started with the makeup look. Because I'm really wanting to achieve a dewy and shimmery look, I'm starting with using this Garland Bee Glow Moisturizer. This leaves my skin feeling super moisturized without feeling or looking greasy and shiny. It's made with Moroccan honey, which helps boost collagen in the skin as well. I really get this silky and smooth skin. I'm not really a big fan of using full coverage foundation, so instead I like to use tinted moisturizers or primers to help even out my complexion. So for this look, since we are going for dewy and shimmery, I'm using the Wonder Glow Tinted Primer from Charlotte Tilbury. It gives my skin a really nice glow look. Next I will go in and spot correct a few areas with my concealer. I like to make sure I get good coverage under my eyes, around my nose and mouth, and a little on my forehead. Those are areas that my skin can get a little irritated or red, so I want to make sure I touch them up. And then I blend the concealer in with my beauty blender. Now for my eyebrows. Since I'm doing a more glossy light look on my eyes and face, I want to have a bolder brow. So I'm filling in my brows with a little bit of Dior Brow Styler. I'm just little sweeping in strokes of the brow pencil where I feel I have gaps in my eyebrows. Nothing too heavy. After they are filled in with pencil, I use my Milk Makeup Kush Brown Gel in the light brown shade medium brown. This helps fill in the remainder of my brows with the light tinted color, and the brush helps style them. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the new Jil Stuart Jelly Eye Color. This product is actually really cool, guys. It feels like putty or jelly, and you don't need a brush to put it on. You can use your fingers and just dab your fingertip into the gel and smooth it onto your eyelid. It has a really nice subtle shimmer to it, and if you want a more glittery look, you can keep building it up. I wanted a look kind of in the middle, not too light but not too glittery. I never ever miss curling my eyelashes. That is the biggest beauty secret. It makes such a difference when you apply the mascara for a big open look. For my mascara, I'm using this Lune Plus Aster Volumizing Mascara. I like it because it gives my lashes nice definition without clumping or being too much. The brush is very thin and really extends my eyelashes from every corner. And for my blush, I'm using the Marc Jacobs lip gloss. Since this makeup look is meant to be dewy and glossy, I didn't want to use powder blush, since that would take away from the glowy look. So instead, I decided to try using a lip gloss as a blush, and I really liked how it turned out. It was super easy to apply. Just dab a little bit onto your cheeks and blend it in. For highlighter, I'm using my favorite cream Hollywood Beauty Highlighter by Charlotte Tilbury. I just lightly tap it into my cheekbones, nose and upper lip. Finally, to finish off the look, I grab a clear lip gloss. This one is super moisturizing and has a little lip plumper in there, to which is a funny tingling feeling. But I feel it really works and my lips will get a really nice plump. So this is the final makeup look. It's very pinkish and glowy and dewy, and it almost reminds me of a little spring look, even though we still have to wait a little bit. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. Leave me a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe and put your notifications on so you won't miss any other video.